QQQ versus QQQM. Which is the better ETF? Now, this is the second most question that I get asked, right behind which is better, VOO or VTI. I just did that video a couple of days ago, so go check it out if you're wondering about that. But back to the Qs. Here's your complete answer in under 60 seconds. First, are these two funds even different from one another? Both QQQ and QQQM track the NASDAQ 100, the 100 biggest companies on the NASDAQ. Mostly tech-heavy names like Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft. Same 100 companies, same proportions, same everything inside. And even the same company runs both, Invesco. They're basically twins. So which one should you actually buy? QQQ has been around since 1999. It's older and more popular. QQQM came out in 2020. And Invesco built it specifically for long-term investors. QQQ charges 0.2% for fees. QQQM charges 0.15%. That's a 25% smaller fee for the exact same holdings. Now, does that 0.05% gap actually matter? On a small balance, you won't even notice it. But fees compound just like your returns, just in the wrong direction. Over 20 or 30 years of consistent investing, that small gap can turn into real money. Between the two, the growth is the same. With QQQM, you just get to keep a little bit more of it. So is there ever a case where QQQ beats QQQM? If you're trading options or moving in and out frequently, QQQ has way more volume. It makes execution faster and tighter spreads. If that's you, you already knew that. If you're a regular long-term investor like me, and most of you are, then QQQM is the call. So what if you already own QQQ? Should you sell it and switch? No biggie, the gains are already there. If you're in a 401k or a Roth IRA, you can switch to QQQM with no tax hit. If you're in a regular brokerage account, switching could trigger capital gains. It may end up costing you more than the savings and fees. Easiest move, keep QQQ where it is, buy QQQM going forward. So you get the same 100 companies, lower fees, and the same long-term plan. You're starting fresh, QQQM. If you already own QQQ, just buy QQQM going forward. And keep what you have. Either way, the goal is to keep buying every month. And in the meantime, be sure to smash that follow button so that we can grow our net worth together.